Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to my tutorial on drawing natural scenery. In this video, we'll explore the art of capturing the beauty of nature on paper. Begin by selecting your subject matter, whether it's a serene landscape, a lush forest, or majestic mountain range. Find inspiration in the world around you. Next, choose your drawing material wisely. Opt for pencil, pastels, or watercolors to convey the texture or color of nature with precision. As you start sketching, focus on capturing the essence of the scene. Pay attention to the play of light and shadow, the intricate details of foliage, and the organic shapes of rocks and terrain. Remember to vary your stroke to create depth and dimensions. Experiment with different techniques such as hatching, stripping, and blending to bring your drawing to life. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are all part of the learning process. Embrace imperfections and allow them to add character to your artwork. Finally, take your time and enjoy the process. Drawing natural scenery is not just about replicating what you see, but also about expressing your unique perspective and appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. So grab your sketchbook and let's embark on a journey of creativity and discovery through the beauty of natural scenery. Happy drawing! If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.